Hi, this is Dan Schumacher. I wanted to show you some updates on my game. I made this animation in the start screen, largely because I code a lot for work and I just wanted something chill and fun to do. So I'm not quite happy with it yet, but it's a good start. And then I'm going to show you kind of a sandbox level I got going on. So you play as this little green dude who kind of has spaceship-like movement, where you hold W and you go forward, and then you rotate your character with A and D. And then with the arrow keys, you have 4 commands for the dog. You can call him towards. You can actually. You can press left and he'll heal left, so he's on the left side of the player, and that's sticky. So as the player rotates, he's still on the player's left, still on the player's left, still on the player's left. Here the player's facing us, so the player's left is our right, and that kind of maintains. You can also press, and while he's here I can run around and he'll stick to me. I also can press down and he'll wait, and so that way I could call him like over here, or I can press the up arrow to send him. So maybe if I think I could get these 3 jumps at an angle, I can click G or up and I'll send him through all 3 jumps. What else? Yeah, so there's heal left, heal right, wait, and then go, where you just send them in a direction. And then the last thing that I've been working on is these jumps. I don't want the player to be able to enter them, or any of the obstacles really, but I've only done the jumps so far. And so we see that if the player runs into him, his velocity I think becomes 0, and then it bounces him back a little bit. With the dog, when the dog, let's do this. Let's do this. So when the dog passes through them, they change colors, and he's allowed to go free. Yeah, so that's kind of my progress. From here, I plan on figuring out the mechanics of the rest of these obstacles, and I have like a debug.log right now where if the player and the dogs touch, let's see, how can I make it happen? Well, I can just have them wait. So if they run into each other, I want that to be like the dog trips the player, and so we can see in the debug that should end the game. I'm also thinking about if the player hits the post, it ends the game, or if the dog tries to run out of bounds, that would end the game, just to make it a little bit harder, but we'll see. So that's it. That's my progress.